Kiki and Boba garland. Buzzword garland. Anyway, little felt corner bookmark. Do you like it? Let me know. Are you gonna make it? Alien Miku. Cute. This is what they look like. I think they're best friends. I made this with love and not this is botched and it's ugly. To me, he's giving 2009 MySpace. It's a paper tray made out of fabric. Take a shot every time I say cute in this video, you'll be dead. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This week we have yet another Smidge DIY classic. Yeah, the journal is out. You know I mean business. I've been crafting lately. I've been making loads of stuff. I've been saving stuff to boards, being like, oh please one day I'm gonna make this, and then I never do it. So I think it's time that I make one of these videos where I do all of the little crafts that I want to do and I show you guys some things that you can do while you're bored. Okay, number one. This is really cute actually, and I have actually been reading. I just come on this channel and I lie. I've been thinking about reading. That is the baby steps, okay? Little steps. And I saw this bookmark and I thought it was so cute. And I've got loads of leftover felt and fabric that I want to use. So let's do this together. Okay, number one. We're going to cut out some fabric. A little triangle. Should be easy. I think I might make multiple and then either keep them for myself or dish them out to friends because I think it's a really cute gift. Birthday/stocking filler. You made it, so they're going to have to love it. Anyway, so you cut the little corner. You can decorate it how you want. You can embroider. You can paint. You can use fabric pens. I'm just gonna decorate like this. I think the thing that makes it look really cute here is the contrast blanket stitch. I am not going to try and explain a blanket stitch. Here is a helpful diagram, and also here's me doing it. Does that help? Look, you go like, and then yeah, you see, yeah, okay. And yeah, I think you could do some really cute like fruit themed bookmarks, or like you could do like navy blue and do like the stars, like Starry Night. That could be really cute. But yeah, anyway, you get the idea. Little felt corner bookmark. Okay, number two. I've also seen people make this on TikTok and Pinterest and everything, and I've never got around to it because I had my fruit garland from the first room decor video, but I think it's about time that I swap that out for something even better. Now, this just reminds me of that one Doctor Who episode. Sorry, I had to mention it. The Big Bang. Hold on. Season 5, episode 12. Am I right? Where Amy draws stars and her aunt's like, stars aren't real. Anyway, we're gonna take some yellow paper and string and we're gonna draw stars. I've seen people do like actual stars, but I kind of want to do stupid ones. I don't know, there's something kind of cute about how like weird and stupid they are. It's giving Kiki and Boba garland. Buzzword garland. Anyway, maybe up above the... Well, this is the thing I learned with the last garland. The hanging it on my curtain rod is a bad idea because then it's really annoying every time I want to pull the curtains closed. So, oh, I might put it above my tapestry actually. That could be quite cute, like going like that. Well, here you go. This is what I ended up doing. Do you like it? Let me know. Are you gonna make it? Oh, if you make any of these crafts, please put them in the media channel in the Discord. The links will be in the description because recently it's been people like showing off their room decor and their walls and like putting up Smidge posters and stuff, and I find it really cute to see what you guys make, so I'm basically really nosy and I want to see. Number 3, Papercraft. We have a lot of fun doing this on stream actually. It's a really fun pastime. Do it while you're watching a movie or something. I don't know, it's really fun. You could get a group of friends together and do it. Bring back crafting at sleepovers. Why not? But yeah, Papercraft figures. This one actually, if you go to the art channel, in the pins, there's this PDF you can download, but one of our community members, Neha, has made a Smidge Papercraft template, and then this is the night Smidge from my merch drop. Yeah, they're a really cute way to like spice up your room, your desk, whatever, but also they're just really fun to make. So the ones I want to make are that one, and I saw this Miku one, Alien Miku. I've been talking about alien stuff a lot recently, and I just think, I don't know, it's cute. It all comes back to the 2016 Alien of it all. Before you know, I'm gonna have a Saturn stick and poke tattoo. Just go ahead and print out on like regular paper, but I will say if your paper is like really flimsy, or if you feel like you're gonna make loads of mistakes, card might be the better option for you. You can use scissors or a craft knife and regular Pritt stick to just stick it all together. Cute. This is what they look like. I think they're best friends. Okay, number 4. I got some pipe cleaners and I am gonna make flowers. Here's the honest truth. Right, I wanted to make this, but my best friend has a beautiful taste in flowers, sure, but they basically don't exist, and it's incredibly difficult for me to buy. They don't exist, I can't find them anywhere. So I thought, why don't I just like make them, and then it'll be great for a video as well. So I'm killing two birds with one stone. Yes. I'm following this tutorial because I looked it up just to see if it could be possible, and I found a tutorial. OMG. I'm just gonna butcher it if I try and explain. But it's okay. This is how they turned out. Very cute. I'm just here to pass on the information that making pipe cleaner flowers can actually be really cute, and not in like a 7-year-old craft macaroni cheese portrait kind of way. Crafting is fun for all ages. Guys, make them. It's cute. Okay, number 5. I've actually been wanting to make this since the dawn of time. Fluffy sock cat plushie thing. This is great if you want to get rid of scrap fabric because you can use that as stuffing. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Cut out this shape, then you cut out that shape, and then you sew this shape, leave an opening so you can stuff it, and then you sew this shape, and then you sew this shape onto this shape, and then you like use embroidery, and now you have a cute little cat. I think it's cute. My main thing that I always say with these is like it's gonna look handmade no matter what you do. So like if you lean into the handmadeness, it's like I made this with love and not this is botched and it's ugly. Number 6, a pen cup holder. I have a bunch of jars that I've been using as pen cups. Also, I have like a bunch of tins. This picture graced my Pinterest feed, and I was like, oh my god, why have I never thought about painting it before? I'm not gonna do Totoro because I would be a fake fan. I've only watched the film once and I fell asleep during it. Sorry, I will rewatch at some point. But then I had this amazing idea. Oh my god, what if I did Domo? Domo? Is that his name? Domo-kun? I don't know. He's cute. I really like him. To me, he's giving 2009 MySpace. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is me painting and having fun. Mic ran out of charge, so you just had to use the camera audio for the last like god knows how long. Really sorry. You're welcome to have your hearing back. Number 7 is a honorable mention because I didn't actually make it, my sister did, but it was a cute little fun DIY and I want to include it. She made this awesome like paper chain, but it's not a paper chain, it's a fabric chain. It's a paper chain made out of fabric. You get the idea. So go ahead and collect a bunch of vertical strips of scrap fabric, anything you have lying around that you want to use. You could even cut up a t-shirt that you're not wearing anymore, who knows. You're going to want to take that fabric and you're going to fold it and you're going to sew it. And think about the same way that you make regular paper chains, right? You take the fabric and you loop it. You put the fabric through the loop. You tape it. You put the fabric through the... You see? You're going to do the same thing, but instead of paper, you're using fabric, and instead of tape, you're sewing. It's up in the office right now. It's very cute. It was a great decoration for her birthday. Take a shot every time I say cute in this video, you'll be dead. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I'm really sorry about the audio problem that happened, but guys, I was just so on it that I'm not gonna re-record. Hope you're okay with that. But anyway, yeah, if you like the video, make sure to give a like and subscribe. If you have any ideas or things you want me to try out, please leave a comment, let me know. New videos every Friday, and I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday over on Twitch, so go follow me there. And while you're at it, check out my shop. I can style you. I have merch. It's really fun. It's really cool. And thank you to all the members over there. You guys are awesome. I will see you next week for another really cool, awesome Smidge video. Peace out.